Hi everyone! 皆さんこんにちは、ゆりかです。Today, we are going to learn the 21 most important Japanese phrases for beginners. But before we start, there are two very important things you need to know about Japanese. First, in Japanese, one word can have multiple meanings depending on the situation. For example, the word すみません can mean sorry, excuse me, or even thank you. Second, Japanese has levels of politeness. The way you speak to friends is different from how you speak to older people, co-workers, or strangers. So first, learn the polite forms to sound natural and respectful. Once you know these, you can greet people confidently in many everyday situations in Japan. Alright, let's begin. Good morning. おはようございます。おはよう。Good afternoon. こんにちは。Good evening. こんばんは。Good night. おやすみなさい。おやすみ。Goodbye. さようなら。バイバイ。Nice to meet you. はじめまして。Use only the first time you meet someone. Nice to meet you. Please take care of it. よろしくお願いします。It means nice to meet you when you first meet someone, or you also say it when asking someone to do something. Thank you. ありがとうございます。ありがとう。You're welcome. どういたしまして。Yes. はい。It's also used as a listening response when someone is talking. No. いいえ。Sometimes Japanese people say いいえ to mean no need to thank me. So if someone says thank you, you can respond いいえ。Excuse me. I'm sorry. Thank you. すみません。This is probably the most useful word in Japanese. You can use it in a lot of situations. For example, if you want to get someone's attention like a clerk at a shop, you say, すみません. It means excuse me. If you accidentally bump into someone on the street, you can say, すみません. Here, it means sorry. And if someone does something for you, like opens the door, you can say, すみません. Now it's more like thank you. I'm sorry. ごめんなさい。ごめん。ごめんね。This is a real apology. Use this when you did something wrong. Thank you for the meal. いただきます。When you come to Japan, you will often hear people say いただきます. It's a way of showing you appreciate the food and everyone who made it. Sometimes people put their hands together when saying it. Thank you for the meal. ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさま。After finishing your meal, you'll say ごちそうさまでした. This is Japanese custom similar to いただきます. It shows gratitude not just for the food but also for the effort of the person who prepared it. Thank you for your effort. Well done. See you tomorrow. You will often hear this in workplaces, but it's not only for business. I recognize your hard work or thank you for your effort. It shows respect and appreciation, and it's a very common way to greet people after finishing something. I'm okay. No, thank you. That's alright. 大丈夫です。 This word can mean yes or no depending on context. For example, imagine you're at the store. The clerk asks, "Do you need a bag?" If you don't, you say, "大丈夫です." Here it means no thank you. But if someone asks you, "Are you okay?" you can answer, 大丈夫です. Now it means I'm okay. So you see the meaning changes depending on the situation. I'm leaving. 行ってきます. Have a good day and come back safely. 行ってらっしゃい. This is the response to 行ってきます. I'm home. I'm back. ただいま. Welcome home. Welcome back. おかえりなさい. おかえり. This is the response to ただいま. Japanese families say these every day. They show connection and care. Great job! Now you know these 21 essential Japanese phrases. You are now able to read in Japanese in many everyday situations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.